Hello, welcome to English Chats. I'm Felix. I make listening practice videos so you can practice your listening and understanding. Before we start, please subscribe and like the video. Today, I'm going to talk about summer. Summer is a very special time of the year. It's my favorite time. It is one of the 4 seasons. Summer is after spring and before fall. A lot of people love summer because the weather is warm and sunny. It is a great time to go outside and enjoy different activities. In the comments, tell me if you like summer. Why or why not? In summer, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. The sun rises early in the morning and sets late in the evening. Sometimes there are a few clouds, but it doesn't rain very often. The temperature is high, so it feels hot. People wear clothes like t-shirts, shorts, sandals, or flip-flops. Some people also wear hats and sunglasses to protect themselves from the sun. There are many fun activities to do in the summer. One popular activity is swimming. People like to go to the beach or go swimming in a swimming pool. The water is cool and refreshing. Children love to play in the sand and build sand castles. Another fun activity is to go on a picnic. Families and friends pack food and drinks and go to a park. They sit on a blanket and eat the food. Many people also go hiking in the summer. They walk on trails in the mountains or forests. Hiking is a good way to get exercise and enjoy nature. Some people also like to go camping. They sleep in tents and have campfires. Summer is also a great time to travel. Children are out of school and the weather is warm and sunny. So many people go on vacation in the summer. They visit new places and see new things. Some people like to go to the beach, some go to the mountains, and some visit big cities. Comment down below and write what you like to do in the summer. Okay, we're finished. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Here you can click to subscribe or you can click to practice more. All right, see you next time.